Hello kids, good afternoon. Well, today we will see vocabulary and expected learning outcome, determine meaning of words. Well, the vocabulary that we will see is about shapes in art, okay? So let's begin. Here on your book, open it please, student book on page 168. You will write a date on top of it, okay? It's June 10, 2020. Number 1, you will listen and point to the words, listen again and say the words, okay? As you can see, the vocabulary is about shapes in art, okay? Related to art. So let's listen.
Page 168, Unit 17. Get ready. Words. A. Listen and point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Crescent, star, spiral,
Point.
oval, straight, nature, collage, sculpture, pattern, crescent,
Repeat please.
star,
Star,
spiral,
spiral,
oval,
oval,
straight,
straight,
nature,
nature,
collage,
collage,
sculpture,
sculpture,
pattern,
pattern. Okay, now with this activity, with these vocabulary words, you will do the next activity. So remember to identify the word by the picture and the pronunciation of the word too, okay? So we have crescent, star, spiral, oval, straight, nature, collage, sculpture, and pattern. Let's do the activity with the vocabulary. It says, circle the correct word. You will circle the correct word. Look at the pictures and circle the one that is correct, okay? We have flowers, we have a window, we have a ruler, we have a cloth, piece of cloth, we have a drawing, we have a moon, the moon. This is something, is a spiral or a straight. This is a painting or a sculpture, or this is a star or round. Please answer this activity on your own. And remember the vocabulary. You can check the vocabulary again before you answer this activity. I will give you 1 minute, okay? Okay, now I know it's not a minute, but I'm sure that you did it already. So what are you going to do is to check if you have the correct answers. I will give you the answers with the color red. You put a check if it is correct, and you circle the ones that you got incorrect, okay? So let's do it. Look, answer number 1 is nature. Flowers are part of nature. The window is round. The ruler is straight. The cloth is a pattern, has a pattern in it. The drawing is a collage. The moon is crescent. This is a spiral. This is a sculpture. And this is a star. So please check that you have the correct answers, okay? Nature, round, straight, pattern, collage, crescent, spiral, sculpture, and star. Very good. Let's continue. You will open your workbook on page 146. Please open your workbook on page 146. The big question for this is, how do we make art? How do we make art? Remember that we can make arc in different types, in different forms. And the first question says, write 3 different types of art. Well, remember from the vocabulary, we saw, and we heard the word collage, sculpture, pattern, and I will add paintings, okay? So we have about 4 words related to art. So right here on this part, I gave you 3 words: collage, paintings, sculptures. You can write these 3 in the corresponding boxes. It's not necessary to follow this order. Any order is correct. And if you have a different type of art, you can write it there, okay? Now, in the second question, it says, what's your favorite type of art and why? Well, we will only write what's your favorite type of art. I wrote it like this. My favorite type of art is paintings. Why? Because I like paintings. Because I think it is very interesting. Yes, paintings are interesting. So, if you have the same like as I do, you can write that. My favorite type of art is paintings. But if you have another favorite type of art, you can write it down. Okay? Only I will recommend you to write my favorite type of art is, and if you want, you can substitute paintings for your favorite one, okay? And you will have a complete answer. Now, you will do a piece of art here too in the exercise A. Read the instructions. It says, look at the instructions and color the pictures. What are the instructions? These things in the boxes. It says, stars are green, ovals are orange, crescents are pink, spirals are blue. You will look for these shapes or forms into this painting and you will color. Okay, for example, the stars are green, the ovals color orange, the crescents color pink, and the spirals color blue. When you finish coloring, you will have a painting and you will be an artist, okay? Please color it. Now, let's pass to the next activity. It says, write the words. We have 4 words in a box: collage, corner, nature, straight, pattern, circle. Pattern is crossed out because it is already used. So, let's look at the pictures. Picture number 1. What do you see? A collage, a corner, nature, straight, or circle? Yes, I know you chose nature because this is nature, okay? Now look at the picture 3. What do you think it is? It is a ruler, but how is a ruler? The ruler is collage, corner, straight, or circle? Yes, the ruler is straight. Now look at the picture 4. There are many shapes in this picture. What do you think it is? Cross out nature, cross out straight, and we have 3. Collage, corner, or circle. You are correct. This is a collage. Many figures, many shapes are in it, and they are making a collage. The number 5 is easy. What is it? Yes, you are right. I'm sure that you chose circle, and you are correct. So we have the last one. The last one is referring to this area, this part, the pointy part of a square, and this one is called corner. So we will write down corner on the number 6. Let's check if you have the correct answers. Number 1, pattern. Number 2, nature. Number 3, straight. Number 4, collage. Number 5, circle. And number 6, corner. Very good. Continue with the exercise C. Circle true or false. Well, right here you have to remember and read the information. It says an egg is an oval. An oval? True. An egg is an oval, has the form of an oval. A circle is a straight line, like the ruler. False. No. false. So, sorry, I moved. False. I didn't circle the answer for you. You will circle it on your own, okay? Number 3, a star is round. The star is round. No, the star is not round. So the number 3 is false. Number 4, all sculptures are big and made of wood. True. Sculptures are big and made of wood. True or false? Well, it can be made of wood, but also can be made of other materials. So, because they are made of different materials, makes a sentence false. So, what's the final answer? False. Number 5, nature has living and non-living things in it. Okay, think about it. Think about it. Nature has living and non-living things in it. The answer is true. Nature has living and non-living things in it. Living things like humans, animals, plants, and non-living things like the vehicles, the house, okay? Number 6, a collage is made of one picture. A collage is made of one picture. False. The answer is false because the collage is made of many pictures, okay? Okay, one more time. Let's check all the answers one more time. A circle is a straight line. False. A star is round. False. All sculptures are big and made of wood. False. Nature has living and non-living things in it. True. The answer is true. A collage is made of one picture. False. Okay? So, we finished answering these activities. I hope you did it correct. It's not necessary to send evidence. Remember, it's not necessary to send the evidence. That's why we are answering the book together. Okay? Now, we finish and we can see this. Look at this picture. Do you like the children? Well, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you had a great day. Goodbye, kids. Goodbye. Have a nice day.